Teacher smiling, addressing students. Good morning, students. Today we will learn present tense. Present tense is used to talk about actions that happen every day, regularly, or in general truth. For example, I go to school every day. She plays the piano. The sun rises in the east. Notice, when the subject is he, she, or it, we add s or s to the verb. Like, he reads a book, she watches TV. Now let's try together. Ravi, tell me a sentence in present tense. Ravi, I eat an apple. Very good. Remember, present tense makes our daily actions clear and simple. Practice speaking about your habits, likes, and daily routine. So children, your homework is write 5 sentences in present tense about your own daily life. Teacher, concluding. That's all for today. Keep